My name is Nate Lammy, and I'm the PD and training specialist here at Flat for Education. I wanted to start today's video just by showing you how to get into Flat for Education. If you've never used our product before, or maybe have used individual and you are looking to dip your toe into Flat for Education, this is how you can do it. And it's also just a brief overview of how to navigate the site itself. If you've never signed on to Flat for Education before, you can go to flat.io/edu to find our product. You can then either log in or join for free. Joining for free prompts you to either be a teacher or a student. In this case, I'm signing on as a teacher, and I'm going to sign up with Google. You also could use sign up with Microsoft. This is your staff email, typically. If you are not using a staff email in these sort of senses, you can enter your email here and create a password that way. But for me, since I am a returning user, I'm going to log in with my Google credentials, and it will take me right to the website. Once you get here, you'll always land on the welcome page. So no matter where you are, if you click into tools and you get a little lost, just click on the logo and it will bring you back to the Flat for Education landing page. You will also should see your school or your organization here. So for some of you who are on a plan that has all of your schools in the same district, it will have it here. It might just say your name. It might just say your individual building. This lets you know what account you're using. Obviously, the welcome will have a little bit different every now and then. Your classes, when you click here, will be all of the classes you've created, either using the inbuilt tools or if you created them manually. Going down to assignments. Assignments is where all of your assignments will land. You'll also be able to find your assignments here using the buttons. So if you are getting ready for a composition assignment, you can click on composition and it will give you anything you've tagged as composition. It was also where you can find your shared assignments, either shared with specific people or within your building/department are found here. And our FFE assignments, which are assignments that we have developed here at Flat for Education that anyone can try out. So if you are very new to the product and you want to give it a shot, I would suggest starting here at FFE assignments. Your tool sets. This we will go over in another video, but these tool sets allow you to create customized settings for your students to compose with if you do not want them using or want them using certain abilities in the platform. This is how you would make those decisions and make those choices using the create toolset option. Your score library is where you and your students will spend a lot of their time. Anyone who's composing is going to spend a lot of time in the score library. You have your compositions. You can even have your collections. So if you are ready to start putting your scores all together, you can go into new collection and create a new one. The people, this will show you who is in your account. So it can tell you your students, it can tell you the teachers, it will show you who's using the platform. And finally, you have your school settings. These, depending on your account level, will either be here or not here. It just depends on who you are. And then finally, you can go down to bottom, profile settings, and change your name.